stay cool.
Hit the button, baby. Thornews presents.
Yeah, that's right. Welcome to Asteroid Challenge Fight Club. I'm your host, Thor.
Where are my brown dwarfs?
I'm talking about certain astronomical phenomena.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have got the strangest meteorite, fireball, meteoroid, planetoid that I've ever seen. Now, the meteor itself, which lights up the sky over Edinburgh, Scotland, isn't that strange at first look. It's got the two-stage effect and then dustifies, as Sage likes to say, as the other lady likes to say. Right? That's Judy Wood. And we see that it lights up the whole sky like celestial lightning. But then here's where it gets really creepy. Prepare yourself, man, because here comes the woo-woo! What the hell is going on with the cameras? It's like the Matrix just melted or something. And not only does it happen on one camera, it happens on two cameras, it happens on three cameras. This bright flash of light somehow scrambles the time and the data and makes it look like there's a glitch in the Matrix. Did this cause gravitational waves, which caused the camera to see gravitational lensing, confusing it? Alien spacecraft, or is it an alien spacecraft, or is it an alien spacecraft, or is it an alien spacecraft? They use their highfalutin off-world technology to like scramble and obfuscate. That's not even a word. I mean, it was kind of like a word, but then whatever. Man, I'm talking about aliens. How grammatically word pronouncing do I have to be? I'm giving you the hard, strange science about WTF is going on with this meteorite, bolide, fireball, UFO. That's what I'm calling it, man. If it melts cameras, you are a UFO, okay? And I don't mean melt camera like, oh my God, the camera's melted into fire. Like, oh my God, the camera's optics kind of melted, scrambled for a bit, and then they returned back to totally normal. That qualifies you as a UFO, okay? So I don't know. I'm pretty sure there's going to be at least one or two people who's going to be like, oh my God, there's a perfect rational explanation for this. That the average bolide lets off a minor EMP charge, which only affects optical cameras that are on home security cameras that would be positioned in the area, which would just kind of scramble the time. Oh yeah, and it's another thing. If you notice the time is ticking normal, a second, like taking a photo every second, tick, tick. And all of a sudden, right before the UFO touches down and disappears in midair after stage 2, the time gets all wonky on all three cameras. This does not make any sense. So go ahead, super science boy, telling me I believe everything that my science manual tells me. Go ahead and explain this one to me. Swamp gas, I hear that's real big in Scotland. Lens artifacts, where the whole lens itself becomes an artifact, a relic, and then changes back to an artifact. Or maybe I'm just seeing things. But maybe that's what those aliens want me to see. And it's funny, we've been reading a lot of articles lately about how there's a lot of new pushes to find aliens. And my girl Sage asked, why do they want to find aliens so bad? You know what I'm saying? Like, you see what's going on our planet? Like, at any point, you want to be spreading our democracy to another world? Or you want to be inviting, like, going looking for, like, hey, let's go find some aliens and hope they're good guys.
I read that white paper they just came out with. Said that, I think it was like 77% of planets that could have life on them in the habitable zone, they are at least 3 to 13 billion years ahead of us. So we're not going to be the more advanced ones in a majority of the situations where we're meeting aliens in our own solar system.
Wow.
But they keep sending signals. They don't even know who. But they're just sending them out there or listening, you know.
Well, at this point, it's probably hard to just profit off alien signals themselves. You'd have to work out some deal with the aliens as a corporation, which is a person. You know what? I just read at the Huffington Post says that 100% of Republican planets are evil. That's weird. You know, I don't know what that means. I would doubt if they're advanced civilizations, they're definitely not going to be caught in some stupid bullshit, false dichotomy, false choice, Republican, Democrat, your vote doesn't count. We have something called the Electoral College. You're screwed, buddy. You know, system, right? Like, why would you need that stupid thing? Would you still have, like, if you're 13 billion years in the future, are you still having, like, 132 nations who hate each other over dumb shit that started 2,000 years ago? Over dumb shit that started 1,000 years ago? I don't know. We didn't mean to wax all philosophical. Apologize to you, the viewer, the aliens that came down in that craft. If they just be, you know, Earth hidden techers, well, where'd you get that tech from, buddy? Steve Jobs invented, just not tell us? No, it's Elon Musk. Okay, great. Anyway, I thought I'd check this out. You happy now, Doc Savage? Damn it. You made a joke like, you stop covering the ones that are gonna miss, and maybe cover the ones that hit. I don't know if this one hit, Doc. I think this one landed. Pretty damn well. All right. You like the X-Man? You know, Cyclops? Yeah, he's kind of whiny, but he gets the girls, and I hear he's really good at crashing a ship where everybody lives. It's a good skill to have in a pilot. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, peace out. Aliens probably here. But we knew that decades ago. You know what I'm saying? That was a joke for satire. Fair use, right? I hope they don't eat people. I think I got an alien virus a week or two ago. I hope they like me. Do they like humor? Man, I don't know. Maybe they have a different sense of humor than we do. You know how sometimes sense of humor can be regional and national and cultural, and so hi alien people, peace out.
Whoa, whoa. See that? Oh, the sky goes low.